I'm going to talk the Simmental Heifers class 23 that are down here, and then the steers that were at the same area there, class 28. We'll start with the Simmentals. We thought that was a very good class. I think it split into two pairs, we thought pretty easy, with 4 and 2, and then 1 and 3 in the bottom pair. And in your top pair, we thought that once you studied them, it got a little more logical. We started with 4. We just thought she had just a little better look. She's more feminine. She's good structured when she goes. She's more acceptable in her condition. She's a lot fresher. Belly swings good. That one's awfully good from the side. Her skeleton. We just thought she was a safe place to start. If you tied into 2, you liked her because she's heavier bone. She's a little more powerful. Rib shape's great. She's a little further along in her condition. She could use freshening up just a little bit, but that one's got some good pieces. She's big bodied. She's big hipped. She's got some bone, and we thought she just landed in the second hole pretty easy. We're going to cut the top pair there 4. From there, the middle pair, it's a pretty big cut. 2 just overpowers the other 2 in terms of just what we talked about: mass, rib, body, her skeleton, her structure. We're going to cut the middle pair 5, and then the bottom pair we're going to go 3-1. We thought 3 just had a little better look. Her front end, top line, her belly was just a little better. When set in motion, her structure was better, except for at the ground. You'd like to fix her feet, maybe like to straighten her up on her front 2 just a tad. But just from her look and her femininity, she goes 3. And then we're going to end with 1. We thought she was stout, had some performance, but just didn't balance up right, a little plane up through her chest and tucked up in her flank, and didn't get out and motor like she should. So we ended up going 4-2, 3-1, and we cut that class 4-5-2.